What's up, everybody? So, Leaky's biking. As a lot of you know, well, that's a badass Nova right there. Ain't got no engine in it, but it's nice. So as a lot of you know, we're having this little first 1 to 500 competition. And he's getting dirty with it. Now see, what I'm doing, the approach I'm taking is I'm actually making moto vlogs about it instead of talking into a camera sitting at my desk on a computer. But I did get on my computer and I searched some things and I found some very naughty pictures of Leaky. He called me a narcissist. Made fun of me for some of the things I've done. Well, number one, I'm American, so right there I win. Number two, you know, I don't go out and jack off moose and take a hot load in the mouth like he does. We have rules to this competition. You know, we're not allowed to tell you to unsub from that person. And I'm not telling you to unsub from that person. I'm not telling you to unsub from Leaky at all. But, I mean, if you want to continue watching crappy moto vlogs and with crappy audio and crappy video, just hoping to see him fuck a goose or something, and, you know, I guess keep watching. But if you want to see good videos, race videos, and good moto vlogs, good conversation topics, come on over and sub to me and watch my videos. Don't get sucked in by that Canadian propaganda crap. Leaky's biking is the devil. I'll go ahead and call this one done. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope y'all have a wonderful day. Dream about me. And I will catch you on the flip side. Later.